Hey guys, we're out in the garden. Wanted to put out a couple of plantings and I wanted to share that process with you. We have these Denim and Lace sage plants that we were given as door prizes at our visit to the Grand Garden Show last week. Really appreciate Proven Winners for giving everybody these, and we've got a perfect spot here in our garden that gets blasted with full sun all day, and these guys will just troop through that. They love the full sun, they like the drier area. They're going to get 28 to 32 inches tall, but they should just thrive in this spot. We have in this area some candy corn spirea, and behind me we have a bunch of hydrangeas along with coleus. So they're going to be really happy in this space. Like I said, they gave these to us as part of a door prize at the Grand Garden Show by Proven Winners. If you guys haven't checked out our tour of that, you can go up here and hit this link and check that out. Really amazing place, just like magical. Just, you know, it's hard to explain it. You have to watch the video to see really what the experience is like there. But they were nice enough to take us around and show us, I think it was probably about 15 of the gardens there, and they are just an amazing place. You come back so inspired and ready to go. But like I said, as part of it, they gave a couple of these plants to us, so I was excited to find a spot in the garden for them as soon as we got home. But these things are tough as nails. I wouldn't say that you can't kill them, but I would think that it would be pretty hard to do so. 28 to 32 inches tall, and they should have a spread about 3 feet. We're gonna put them about 2.5 feet together, so that we get the spacing where they're gonna kind of grow together. So it's one tip for you guys. If you haven't, if you look at the minimum and maximum spacing on plants, if you're wanting that really full look, plant your plants together at the minimum. And then what they'll do is they'll grow together. If you want some separation, put them at the maximum. So as usual, we're going to be planting them up with some biotone. We're going to put that down in the hole to get them a real good kickstart here in the fall as the weather starts to cool off, and they'll just be really happy. So why don't we go ahead and get these guys into the ground. The root system looks really great on these guys. They look very healthy, so we shouldn't have any problems with them just getting acclimated to their new home and just taking off. It's going to be fantastic. So we'll put this next one in its home. Give it some biotone also. I'm going to break up this soil, get it good and packed around there to make that root ball nice and happy. So there you have it, guys. Pretty easy project. These things are going to do fantastic in this space. I encourage you to take a look at them. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find them to order yourself and have them shipped directly to your home. Until next time, guys, we'll see you in the garden. Bye-bye.